पावसाळ्या पयलींच्या कामाच्या मान्यते खातीर मडगांव नगरपालिका बुधवाराक खासा बसका घेतली, जातून आपतकालीन वेवस्थापन निधींतल्यान 15 लाख जाल्यार नगरपालिका निधींतल्यान 6 लाख रुपया वापरून हे काम करपाचें थारायलां। तशेंच हो प्रस्ताव मान्यताय घेवपाक DMA कडेन धाडटले, तशेंच ह्या कामाक 1 मेच्यान सुरू करतले अशें मडगांव नगरपालिकेचो अध्यक्ष लिंडन पेरेरान सांगलां।
Pre-monsoon work. Today we have decided 15 lakhs to be used from the disaster management funds and 6 lakhs will be from the municipal funds. So we are going to send it to the DMA for approval, and the pre-monsoon work will be starting in first week of May. After all the procedures, May first or second May. This approval we have to send it to the DMA. I will be going tomorrow, get it approved, and tender will be floated. 2 contractors will be there, one for Marga and one for it's up to me to decide and take it to the forward it to the DMA and UD secretary and get it fast. Because all the councillors they wanted to start it fast because last year we had a problem. It was flooded.